Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Math Solver. Today's video is very important because we will solve a model paper for class 9 maths provided by Federal Board for 2025 exams. Let's start today's lecture. Now we will start from section A. Section A is compulsory. All parts of this section are to be answered. Now we will solve the first part. Now the first part is the radical form of x raised to power minus 3 by 2 is, first option is 3 side of x2, 1 by square root of x cube, square root of x cube 1 by 3 side x square. Now the correct option is B part. We will write the answer 1 by square root of x cube. Now I will explain the reason behind this. First of all, x raised to power minus 3 by 2 can be write as 1 by square root of x power 3 because square root is equal to 1 by 2, so that we can write this as 1 by square root of x3. So this is the right option. Now the second MCQ is scientific notation of 0.25 square is 625 multiplied 10 to the raised power minus 4, 6.25 multiplied 10 to the raised power minus 3, 6.25 multiplied 10 to the raised power minus 2, or 6.25 multiplied 10 to the raised power minus 1. So the correct answer of this MCQ will be 6.25 multiplied 10 to the raised power minus 2. We will write the answer. Now what is the reason behind this is, first of all, multiply 0.25 to 0.25. We will get then multiply 2 by this. Now we have answer is 0.0625. Now we will move point after 6, then it will become 6.25 multiply 10 to raise power. We are moving from left to right, so 10 to raise power minus 2. So C option will be the correct option of this question. Now the third MCQ is, if A is equal to 2, 4, 6 and B is equal to 0, 1, then A cross B elements are 5, 6, 8 or 9. The correct answer is 6. We will write the answer. And what is the reason behind this is, we know that A cross B mod is equal to mod of A multiply by mod of B. Mod means tell us the magnitude or number of elements. So number of elements are in A is 3 and in B is 2. So 3 multiplied 2 is 6. So A cross B will be equal to 6. Now the MCQs 4 is, what is the LCM of 7x minus 6xy and 5xy cube minus 3x square? LCM means which contains all the unique factors in the highest power. So LCM will be the B option. We will write the answer 7x minus 6xy into 5y cube x minus 3x square. Now the reason behind this is the LCM includes all unique factors. So that B part is the answer of this question. Now we will do 5. Now the part 5 is solution of inequality minus 2x minus 1 by 2 is less than or equal to 3 by 2. A option is x is greater than minus 1, B is x is less than minus 1, x is greater than or equal to minus 1, or x is less than or equal to minus 1. So the correct answer of this part is x is greater than or equal to minus 1. We will write the answer. And the reason behind this is we will solve this. Minus 2x minus 1 by 2 is less than or equal to 3 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is subtracted in the left hand side, and when we move this to right hand side it will become added. So we have minus 2x is less than or equal to 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So this gives minus 2x is less than or equal to 4 by 2. 4 by 2 will becomes 2. So x minus x is less than or equal to 1. So when we multiply this by minus 1, multiplying by minus 1, this will gives us x is greater than or equal to minus 1. This is the rule of inequality. When we multiply by minus 1, then the sign of inequality will be changed so that x is greater than or equal to minus 1. This is the final answer. Now part 6 is what is the radian measure of 15 degree and 50 minute? The answer is 19 pi by 216. We will write the answer. And what is the reason behind this is 15 degree 50 minute will be equal to 15 plus 50 by 60. So by solving this we will get 95 by 6, and to convert degree into radian we will multiply by pi and divide by 180. So this will become 95 pi by 1080. Now we will simplify this by dividing 5. We will get 19 by 216. So we have 19 pi by 216. This is the final answer. Now the 7th MCQ is bearing 0 degree is north, south, east, west. The option is north, because when we use compass needle it always navigate in clockwise, so that we will write the reason behind this is bearing of 0 degree with the help of compass always points north, so that our answer will be north. Now we have part D is if alpha is equal to beta angle in the figures, what is the value of B? CD by A, C by AD, AD by C, or AC by D? Now the correct answer will be AD by C. We will write the answer, and the reason behind this is we will use properties of similar figures by that A by B is equal to C by D. So now we will have to find the value of B by cross multiplying. We have AD is equal to BC and B will be equal to AD by C. That's why right answer is AD by C. Now we have part 9 is what is the value of -3 tan square theta in a single trigonometric function a cosecant square theta -3 secant square theta 3 secant square theta or -3 cosecant square theta. Now we will solve this to find the answer. -3 secant square theta, and the reason behind this will be, first of all we will take -3 as common, remaining is 1 plus tan square theta, and we know that 1 plus tan square theta is always equal to secant square theta. That's why right answer will be -3 secant square theta. Now the 10th MCQs is intersection of an angle bisector of a triangle is circumcenter, orthocenter, incenter or centroid. So the right option of this is incenter. And we will draw this. Let's suppose this is a triangle. And the angle bisector means these are the three angles. And all three angle bisectors meet at common point. So this point is called incenter. Now we will solve next MCQs. Now the 11th MCQs is each internal angle of a regular hexagon is 60 degree, 108, 72 or 120. Now the correct option is 120. Hexagon means a polygon which have 6 sides like this. So we have to find the internal angle. What will be the angle? We have the formula for this is to find internal angle n minus 2 multiply by 180 by n. Here n is equal to 6. So 6 minus 2 multiply 180 by 6. So this will become 4 multiply 30, which is equal to 120. So this is the correct answer. Now locus of midpoint of 5, 4 and 5 and minus 6 will be, the correct answer of this MCQs is y is equal to minus 1. We will write, and the reason behind this is, we know the formula of midpoint is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 is divided by 2. So that x1 is 5 and x2 is 5. So we have 5 plus 5, 10, and 10 divided by 2 will be 5. And y1 plus y2 means 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 is minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. So that we have y is equal to minus 1. So you may be confused that we have also x is equal to 5 in the options, but look at the question. We have both f and 5 points are the same. That's why we have to find the midpoint. For this purpose, we will use y is equal to minus 1 as the correct option. Now the next MCQs is, the mean of 11 number is 7, one of number is 13 is deleted. What is the mean of remaining 10 numbers? We have to find, the correct option is 6.4. We will circle this and write the answer. And now I will tell you what is the reason behind this. We know the formula of mean is equal to sum by total numbers. Sum of numbers by total. Now the sum of number is, we have to find, and mean is given, that is 7, and total numbers are 11. So 7 is equal to s by total is 11. So s is equal to 7 multiply 11, 77. Now condition is given that one of the number, that is 13, is deleted. So the new sum will be equal to 77 minus 13, which is equal to 64. Now we have to find the mean of the remaining. Now the new mean will be equal to, sum is equal to 64 and the total numbers are now 10. So 64 by 10 is equal to 6.4. So this will be the right option. Now the MCQs 14 is, probability of picking king from 52 shuffled card is 1 by 52, 4 by 13, 1 by 13 or 1 by 26. The correct option is 1 by 13. We will write the answer. And what is the reason behind this is, we know the formula is probability of king is equal to the number of kings by total cards. So number of kings are 4 and total cards are 52. So by solving this, we will get 1 by 13. So this option will be correct. Now the last MCQs is, probability of fair coin landing heads twice in 2 tosses will be 1 by 4. And the reason behind this is, we know that probability of head in 1 toss is equal to 1 by 2. So probability of head in 2 tosses will be equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. This will become 1 by 4. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 for more educational videos. In the next video, we will solve all the short questions that are provided by the Federal Board for 2025 exams. Best of luck for the maths exams. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.